How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. I'm reshooting this intro because I did not like the lighting of this intro that I made on that lake. Okay, new lake, never been to it, never fished it. First time on that lake, had no idea what I was doing. Basically went out there to have some fun. So with that being said, quick intro. Let's get right into this video. Peace. Came off. That's what I'm picking up something. I would like to flip. I'm not going to yet. Still pretty early. Only 7:14. Still pretty right by the boat. Jeez, man. Hike. Wow. Right by. Okay, Daddy. Man, these things are delicious. Oh, you guys stink so bad, dude. Look at that little guy. Goodness. Holy smoke. Oh, this dude. Wow, you got sliced, buddy. Dude, you got gashed. Gashed up. Ouch. Fight hard, that's for sure. It hits so freaking hard, but they're small. Holy smoke, dude. Small bass. Much. Look how dark it is. Isn't that crazy? Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, it's a nice bass. So far. Not a lily pads. So they're small, but they are feisty. Very feisty fish. So good. I don't want to flip them too much because they kick in the air and bring them around. Okay. These fish are psychopaths, dude. That should be kind of big one. Alright, so far I see that the bass they're definitely hanging around structures. Not so much of like weeds and patches and stuff like that I know of, but any dock, any lay down, rocks, whatever's laying in the water, they seem to like that. So I think that's what they're keen on. I'm gonna finish up looking at shallow stuff. I'm gonna try to go offshore, even though this lake is pretty shallow. But they're also not cruising. They're sitting in one spot. And I'm finding them in isolated areas. It's pretty sunny out. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, so far nothing big yet. I'm gonna keep pitching and flipping because it seems like that's what they want. Stuff inside their territory. Gonna keep doing that. Yeah, I got one. Oh, it's a nice one, dude. Whoa. That's actually a nice bass. Dude, it's actually a really nice bass. On the signal, dude. Wow. He's all discolored too. Man, these bass fight hard. Dude, that's a nice bass. Look how discolored he is. I switched over to the Cinco and just boom, lashed on. Yep. Whoa. That's a nice bass. There you go. Beautiful fish. The color on that thing is amazing. Nice fish. Okay. That's cool. Answers my question. another decent one. It's so hard. Okay, if you're losing. There you go. You held that Cinco. Oh, it's a good fighter for a little guy. Still fun. Nice. So let's see, right? Oh jeez. No, my Cinco. Slow guy. Still. Hammered. Gosh. One. I'm not gonna lie, these bass here, they've been catching me off guard, dude. Like, they hit at the most random time. It's so weird. Usually I can anticipate it, like it's gonna happen. For some reason, their hits are just random. Like I'll jig pause it, right? And I'll anticipate the bite, but they won't hit it. As soon as I just like reel it in, bring it in just like that, they'll just smash it. So I don't know what's up with that. I mean, it's pretty cool, but it's also very annoying in a way. Because they're messing up my hooks at timing. But they're hitting it really hard. Like, it's not a bad thing either. They're drilling the bait like there's no tomorrow. Like that. See that? He ran off with it. Jeez. I didn't even know he was on. Gosh. You guys saw that. I was jigging it. And I paused it and he ran off with the bait. There we go. Again, dude. God. They just fight so hard, too. Man, these bass are gonna... It's crazy, man. They're psychopaths. They're not big, but they're hitting you like they're freaking 3-pounders. There we go. Yeah, little guy. Yeah. Oh, dude, the big one came out of nowhere. Whoa, dude, that was cool. Dude, so I lost the first one, right? He popped off, and then there was a big one that came out and chased it. Wow, and I dropped the bait back down and he ate it. That was cool. Look at that. Dude, look how dark his eyes is. So crazy. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. It's around noon. So it was a nice 6-hour session. Caught a lot of bass. No big ones, but it was still a ton of fun just learning a new lake. I came here just doing what I know, just hitting up the obvious stuff. I did want to try offshore a little bit, but there's like 4 or 5 boats right on the like deeper weed line end. I don't want to go out there and mess with them, so I'll call it a day. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Bass fishing has been awesome lately, and I'm definitely gonna do some more because I know a lot of you guys watch bass fishing video, and I'm sorry if I haven't been producing bass fishing video for you guys, but hopefully we find some big ones, So stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.